It all started the day I lost my job. One email, that's all it took to flip my world upside down. We appreciate your contribution, but due to restructuring, you know the rest. I sat there staring at my screen, wondering what came next. Rent was due, my savings were running dry, and the world outside, it didn't stop just because I did. But somewhere deep inside, I had this crazy thought. What if AI could do what I couldn't? What if I could build something from nothing? That night, I opened ChatGPT. My hands were shaking as I typed, "Build me a business that can make money automatically." I hit enter and waited. In seconds, it replied with a structured plan. The first, choose a niche. The second, tools to create products. The third, sell them online through automation. It even listed platforms, tools, and a weekly roadmap. I couldn't believe it. It was like having a mentor who never slept and never doubted me.
The first step was picking a niche. ChatGPT suggested digital productivity templates. I used Midjourney to design visuals and Notion AI to structure the product. Within a week, I had a brand name, NeuroFlow Systems. AI generated the logo, tagline, even the website layout. I didn't code, I didn't hire. AI did the heavy lifting, and I just guided it like a director. 2 weeks later, my digital shop was live. I shared it quietly on Reddit, not expecting much. That night, while I was asleep, bing! A notification. You've made a sale, $19. I stared at my screen the next morning in disbelief. Someone, somewhere, had just bought something I made while I was dreaming. That small sale became a fire inside me. I optimized everything using AI. ChatGPT wrote marketing emails. Midjourney created ads. Notion AI tracked analytics and customer data. My small system grew smarter each week. Sales doubled, then tripled. Within 3 months, the number hit $10,238, and it hasn't stopped since. AI didn't replace me. It upgraded me. It gave me time, focus, and creativity. I realized the future isn't humans versus AI, it's humans with AI. So if you've ever dreamed of building something, maybe it's time to stop doubting and start prompting.